Welcome to Cindy Eats. I'm Cindy. Hey. Amen, amen, amen. Y'all see, but we're going to get into it in just 1 minute. Because if you could please do me the greatest honor of subscribing to my channel, liking the video, leaving a few comments, and sharing me out. It will greatly be appreciated. Today, y'all, I am doing Soulful Eats challenge for KoKo, Ethnic Eats, and Mukbang. Not Mukbang with Priscilla. It's Priscilla. For them to get to 1K. It is called 5 Seafood Boil Egg Roll Challenge. She said you gotta have 5 jumbo egg rolls. Must have a cocktail or mocktail. I forgot that part. 10 minutes on the clock. Yes, you can drink. Tag Priscilla and KoKo. Tag at least 3 people who might not be following them and have fun. And she tagged me. Yes, it took me a minute. I was trying to muster up the courage. But as you can see, I did not. I have some egg rolls, spring roll, seafood boil. So this is a egg roll boil. Y'all know I break the rules. This is an egg roll boil because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things with the egg roll, with the sauce. I did it. It's all about showing up and giving support to those who deserve and need it and should have it just because, okay? That is Yasir. Didn't I say this eyebrow always messed up? You keep peeking behind the corner. No, he's not participating today, okay? He's not. It's been a minute, haven't it? Let me get into this. It's gonna take me more than 10 minutes. I do have a mocktail. Optimistic Peach Beach. If you did not know, peach is one of my favorite flavors. He's jumping, causing this camera to shake. I'm gonna walk. Yasir. I'll be trying to have a decent video half the time. I try. Y'all, again, this is for KoKo and Priscilla. If you do not know them, their link will be in the description box. They will also be tagged. And yeah, KoKo is from the DMV area, just like me. Hold on. And she giving all that DC vibes. Yes, ma'am. Fun, full of energy. Now this is butter sauce, mainly broth. Ooh. I'm gonna have to slide this back. As her name implies, she likes to eat ethnic food. She just posted today pork belly lumpia. I've had lumpia. I've never had I've had pork belly, I want to say, but not a lumpia. KoKo goes live. I've been following her for a minute. And since I found her, she's always had the best editing to me. Her and Priscilla usually do like Saturday morning shenanigans. They won't let me be great. They won't let me be great. Lauren trying to. No, not today.
Why can't I get some snap?
Go in there, Lauren. I tried to get her to make her video. And you ought to see what she did. I'm gonna put a little clip in here. Just a little clip. Just a little clip. Anyway, getting back to KoKo. Welcome to the KoKo show. One second, y'all. Bye, Lauren. I'm gonna let me be great. She getting all of DC feels and vibes, the energy, youthful. And she is unapologetically herself. Ain't switched it up on nobody. Just like Priscilla, and you know they real cool. Priscilla is so sweet, so nice, so caring, so giving. I met Priscilla before. She actually came to Charlotte, and I drove over there to meet her and Real Ralph and Mickaboo. And when I say she's giving what she's giving in real life and on YouTube, that's exactly her. She'll text me during the week. She'll text me at the beginning of the week saying have a good week. She had recently started back working. She just recently posted, I think it was today. Her son graduated today, her last son. Congratulations. I know you proud. That's a journey, y'all. That's a journey. This spring rolls in it. I ain't gonna lie, I was jealous when I seen KoKo. I think 50 flavors of 3. And Dan Tag went to Philly. They food looks so good. I've never been to Philly before, and I can't wait till I can go. Priscilla take me on a tour. I want to see Philly. But again, if you haven't seen them, know about them, anything like that, help them out. Give them a sub. Go like a video to comment on the video to help it stick so that can grow. And get out there. We can all do it with your support. I know it's tough, you know, giving somebody new a chance. But give them a chance. You might like it over there. Ooh. Y'all, I had tried to do a video today. I ain't gonna say I tried to. I was attempting to. For lunch, I went to Wendy's. Let me take this bite. Now, I ordered a chicken sandwich. Built like a burger. So, lettuce, tomato, onion, all that stuff. I looked in the bag on the way back. And I was like, dang, this sandwich is small. I told you I got, but I like this look really, really small. So I said, open up the sandwich. It was a bacon burger. No, I only got 30 minutes. I was so lucky that I didn't get far, number one, and they're not that far from my job. I ain't gonna be able to open it. Get back, take it back. This lady made my sandwich in 2.5 seconds. Unless it was my original sandwich and they left it sitting there. The only good thing is they gave me fresh fries. Now when I got back to my desk, I only had 23 minutes. I said, let me just try to enjoy my food. I opened it up and my sandwich is this thin. I mean, my chicken patty is this thin. I had a coupon. That thing was $8 and some change. I'm tired of eating out and not getting decent food. But I ain't gonna say I hate cooking. I don't be wanting to cook. Going to the grocery store getting robbed. Robbed at the grocery store. Robbed at the fast food place. I want Wingstop so bad. Ebony's sitting in that car eating that Wingstop with them cheese fries. It was calling me. I could smell it. But I don't want no bad food. And Wingstop is expensive. Cause I just can't go get 5, 6 little chicken wings. I need like 10, 15 chicken wings. I need the fries. I need the corn. I need a lot of ranch. And I need celery. And a drink. I need me a Mr. Charlie or a husband that's gonna want to feed me from time to time. Alright, so I'm gonna stop right now and get out y'all way. Because this is a late upload. Thank you for everybody who, come and watch the video. Thank you for everybody who will go watch KoKo and Priscilla and subscribe to their channels. Let y'all make sure you let them know that Cindy sent y'all. I'm gonna let these children come say hey, and then we're gonna get up out of here, okay? And I'm about to be Mom Cindy. Right quick, I'm about to holler. Y'all see her? You really real close, I believe. Or at least I thought it was. Y'all see her, Lauren? I'm gonna have to get up. Hold on.
Bye.
That's all he wanted to do. Just say hey.
I want to stream.
Say hey.
Hey.
Then say bye.
Bye. Bye. No.
You want something?
Wow. I want to take a bite of egg.
Now, where was this energy when you were supposed to be making your McDonald's video?
I don't know. That's not enough.
Go ahead.
Look.
Good.
Mm-hmm. He said energy. Yeah.
He said that's good. You ain't gonna eat no onions no way. Why you?
Bye. Yeah.
No, don't eat that. You eat this.
Yeah.
No, you ain't even ready to eat that. They can't even see it. It's a fly. He don't like flies. He don't like bugs. He don't like dogs.
He don't even like to be scared. Dog.
Dog.
Have some this. Dog.
That dog.
No, have some this.
All right, say bye.
Bye. See you later.
Hope to see you next time on Cindy Eat. Bye.
Bye. That I got a new phone. Yeah, Mama.
Her birthday is June 18th. She got an early birthday present. Just her phone.
I'm waiting for the next.
Her birthday is June 18th. His birthday is June 21st. And they're having a party at Safari Nation.
Who, Nat? Oh, yeah, I see it.
And her too.
No, I'm not. Bye.
Lauren, stop.